Hey, you guys, I couldn't resist. I I had to step out of the truck and show you. Look at this snow pile next to the truck. Part of it was there when I went in, but all this right here has just been piled up by the snow plow. These are my footprints. Look at this. When I put my foot down in the snow, look how far down. See if I can get a picture. How far down it goes into the snow. That's how much it snowed since I've been here. 8 o'clock this morning it started snowing. We're up at Gloucester, Massachusetts. Let me back up a little bit here and show you this. It's amazing. The snow around the front of the truck over here shows you about how much it snowed in the past. That looks like about 6 or 7 inches right there. And this is it. This is a snowstorm. I'm loving it. All right, take care. Stay tuned to life and keep learning.